Sometimes it feels like a yoga fraud. It's so common in Ashtanga to never feel like your practice is physically good enough. So I wondered if others experience that imposter syndrome for the spiritual side. Right? So like it's not just the physical imposter, it's the spiritual side. And this led me to consider if I need to practice finding that sparkle or if I just need to practice finding that sparkle somehow, how can I cultivate spirit and aliveness and connection in my practice? And then also I might be conflating or confusing the gooey, glowy, floaty post-practice feeling with spiritual connection. You're curious your thoughts on endorphins or glimpse of God. Okay, well, for one, I'm just telling you my own take on it, but it's impossible not to feel like a spiritual fraud, I think. And let me tell you,